I was really hoping this camera won't die, but I'm out of luck today. So where was I? Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have my weekly stamping nail art tutorial video for you. Our theme through the Facebook group this week is Valentine's Day, and I just received the plate from Maniology, and I was also sent this nail polish from Dark Horse Lacquer for review, and this just called to me as perfect for the Valentine's theme through this Facebook group Collab. Thank you so much, Patty, for hosting, and I do hope you guys will also enjoy this nail art tutorial. If you do, don't forget to thumbs it up for me. And if you're new here or coming from the other channels that joined into this collab, then welcome. I hope you will like what you see here, and if you do, then please also hit the subscribe button. I will link for you everything in the description box as always. You will also find all the links to the other videos there, so please show some love to everybody who joined in into this Valentine's Day collab. And of course I will have all the pictures at the end of my video, so stay tuned for those as well. So thank you guys so much for being here today. Thank you so much for all your support, for watching my video, and I will be back with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.